Question number 29. A circular coil of wire moves through a region of uniform magnetic field directed out of the page. Okay, so what is this now? This is a magnetic field which is being directed out of the page, coming outside towards me. And you have a circular coil which is moving in this direction and it exits out from here. Okay, what is the direction of the induced conventional current in the coil? See, when the coil comes inside, there's an increase in magnetic flux, right? Let me write it down. At entry, what will happen to the coil? Coil will experience a magnetic flux increase. When magnetic flux increases, the coil doesn't like, right? It is according to Lenz law. It says, okay, I'm not in liking it, so I'm going to oppose this. So when it opposes it, now what does the coil do? Coil produces a flux which is in the opposite direction, which means now it will try to put in the opposite direction. So it means the magnetic field should be directed inwards. Magnetic field, it will direct it inwards over here. When the magnetic field is directed inwards, now what should be the case? If the magnetic field is directed inwards to the plane, the coil should have a current flowing in a clockwise direction. So this should be clockwise over here. So this should be your CK. Now in a similar way, when it goes out, what will happen here? So it will experience a lower magnetic flux. So what does the coil say? Coil dislikes it. So therefore it should increase the magnetic flux, which means the magnetic field here will be in what direction? It will be in the okay, let me write it down. Phi. So here magnetic field is like this. It is now trying to reduce. So magnetic field now is trying to reduce. So it will be like this over here, right? Magnetic field will be in this direction. So thrown by the thumb. So therefore the current will be in the anti-clockwise direction. So current would be in the anti-clockwise direction. Thus the right answer should be CK-ACK. CK-ACK. Where is it? CK-ACK, counterclockwise. Answer is C over here. Okay. If you do not understand this, then you can just write back to me. I would like to make a new video with enhanced examples to get a better idea of this. Okay.